Narrated by Al-Barra bin Azib. When the Prophet ﷺ came to Medina, he stayed first with his grandfathers or maternal uncles from Ansar. He offered his prayers facing Baitul Maqdis Jerusalem for 16 or 17 months, but he wished that he could pray facing the Kaaba. The first prayer he offered facing the Kaaba was Asr prayer in the company of some people. Then one of those who had offered that prayer with him came out and passed by some people in a mosque, who were bowing during their prayers facing Jerusalem. He said, addressing them, "By Allah, I testify that I have prayed with Allah's apostle facing Mecca." Hearing that, those people changed their direction towards Kaaba immediately. Jews and the other people, scriptures used to be pleased to see Prophet ﷺ facing Jerusalem in prayers. But when he changed the direction towards the Kaaba during the prayers, they disapproved of it. Al-Barra added, "Before we changed our direction towards the Kaaba in prayers, some Muslim had died and had been killed, and we did not know what to say about them regarding their prayer." Allah then revealed in Surah Baqarah, ayat number 143, "And Allah would never make your faith prayer to be lost." That is, the prayers of those Muslims were valid. Hadith number 40, Sahih Bukhari.